Got one. And these are perfect for my pond. We're at this little pond. We're gonna be bluegill pan fishing today because my pond at home drained out and my bluegills died, so we have to get somewhere to restock my pond. So that's what we're doing today. This is where I got my bluegill for my pond last time, a couple of years back. They had grown quite a bit from when I got them. 2 years ago, they were good, like, I don't know, 6 inches. I think I still have a catfish in there. I'm just looking for a good place to stop and fish. There's a lot of weed cover. Maybe I should have brought my kayak. A tiny swim bait on here. That's all. Kind of nice. I've rigged up a little weedless jig. Let's see if this works. This might be a bit big. I think my best bet is to use the little worm chunks. Yeah, I should have grabbed my kayak. Switched up to using live bait here. Got a little worm on here to target these bluegills that are out just past the weeds. Got one. Look at that. And these are perfect for my pond. Like these little guys. So I put some in that were about like this last time, and like I said, they grew to get pretty big. There you go, buddy. I'm putting them in my pond because they eat the bug larvae and stuff, so they keep the mosquitoes down. My dad's here fishing as well, so I don't know if he's gotten anything yet though. I'm just taking this little bitty worm on here. This is for small fish, but I got these out of my compost pile. Just taking a little bit. It doesn't even need to be a big chunk. Just a little piece of this, like that. And I'm casting this just out on the edge of the weed bed over here where I saw those fish. And then they're going after it. This is a great way to get someone who doesn't fish much into fishing, because then you're constantly catching these little fish. You have to pull it as soon as you see the bobber go down, you have to give it a yank, otherwise they'll just take the worm. Lost one. I had him on, but he didn't hook set him right. Got one. That's a better one. Or not a better one, but at least it's bigger than the first one I got. Like I said though, these are just going in the pond, so they don't have to be giants because they'll grow. Alright, swim around with your buddies. Got a good bit in there now. Got enough for my pond. One of them's a pretty good sized one too. Nope. Did it too soon. Got him. This little guy. This is such a good way to just catch a bunch of little fish when you don't catch anything. Then you feel like you're doing something. Got one. Maybe I'll use a bigger hook and try to get some bigger guys that I can eat later. There we go. That's not too bad. Ah, missed him. That was a better fish, too, than what I've been catching. So I wasn't catching anything bigger, and I have enough bluegill for my pond now, but I was also kind of wondering what these people were doing, so I decided to head over to the truck. Hey. Good.
He's got one.
Okay, I got another. Okay.
He's deaf. He's deaf.
Oh. At first I looked and I thought, how did my brother know I was here?
What's his name?
Mike.
Mike what? Conso?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna go get the rest of my stuff. Run out of coolant.
No, it seemed like it was getting a little hot. I don't know if it did or not.
I had an old Jeep that had a coolant leak, and I had to add water every couple of days.
Really?
Yeah.
That's nice Jeep.
Yeah.
He's deaf, but that's his Jeep.
Nice. Yeah, the engine went out on mine eventually, so I just got rid of it. Yeah, it was pretty nice. It was a 2000 Wrangler. So, well, it seemed like they were just having some car trouble, but they got it going eventually. I think that'll do it for this video, so thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun catching the fish. So yeah, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.